Welcome, folks. There's some breaking news in the study of register and intra-individual variation. Researchers from Berlin, Germany have been piloting a laboratory method for experimentally studying cross-situational variation of single speakers. It has been shown that speech varies in dependence to an addressee, specifically in child or animal-directed speech, or in dependence to the referee. Also, there's general agreement that differences in social situations like parties, a barbecue, or shop talk induce differences in speech behavior, for example, compared to professional contexts like the work environment, negotiations, or conferences. In fact, specific studies on cross-situational variation of single speakers showed that differences in fine phonetic detail, like the use of phonation type, may serve to construct differences in social meaning, group affiliation, and personas. Speech almost certainly also varies as a function of other factors, such as the situation, whether or not you have something writing on it or not, or the function of the discourse, whether you are making a request or just chit-chatting, the interlocutor or addressee, the topic of conversation, and the level of formality and politeness. A new study rigorously tested claims by asking students to interact with choreographed video sequences of the same individual performing different persona types. The same female dressed up differently, ranging from more to less formal. Alternations included clothing, hairstyle, and accessories like glasses and piercings. 86 people participated in an online rating on the perceived formality of the persona from still pictures. Then, the two personas were selected that received the highest and lowest scores for formality in a factor analysis of personality ratings. So far, 35 university students from Germany interacted with these two selected videos. With a formal persona, students had to engage in a face-threatening discourse, arguing for a pay raise or deadline extension. With a less formal persona, there was no face threat, as students were to talk about their favorite things to do around town or their favorite recipe. For the acoustic analyses of differences in fine phonetic detail, they measured the first and second formants of all vowels to get an estimate of the overall vowel dispersion. For each vowel token, the Euclidean distance from a central point in a talker's vowel space was calculated. Results from a linear mixed effects model revealed that vowels in formal contexts are more dispersed than in informal contexts. An analysis of the usage and types of the three hesitation markers revealed three things. First, women use significantly more filled pauses than males. Second, women produce shorter phrases or interpausal stretches in at stake compared to nothing at stake contexts. And women have a preference for am in at stake compared to nothing at stake situations. As for the usage of hesitation markers in formal and informal situations, there is an interaction. At stake am is significantly shorter than nothing at stake am, while at stake is significantly longer than nothing at stake Other parameters like variation in F0 and F0 height are currently being looked at.